In today's video, I'm going to teach you the best way to create a bullet chart in Power BI. A bullet chart, designed by Stephen Few, is a compact and effective tool for comparing a primary metric, such as an actual value, against one or more targets or benchmarks, while also demonstrating qualitative ranges like poor, okay, or good. Compared to traditional gauges, bullet charts offer a space-efficient, clearer presentation that's particularly useful for dashboards. Let's dive into how to build a bullet chart using a custom visual in Power BI Desktop. For our demonstration, we'll use the OK-Viz bullet chart. First, open your Power BI Desktop and navigate to your report where you'd like to add the bullet chart. On the Visualizations pane, you'll notice an ellipsis icon, the three dots. Click on that and select Get More Visuals. In the search box, type in Bullet Chart, like the OK-Viz bullet chart, and add it to your visuals list. Now, with the visual successfully added, it's time to place it on your report canvas. Simply drag the newly added bullet chart visual onto the canvas and adjust its size as needed for clarity within your report layout. Next, we need to prepare our data or measures to be presented in this visual. Typically, you're going to need an actual value measure, which shows what you've achieved. Alongside that, a target or goal measure is essential, as it's what you'll be comparing against. Optionally, you might want to add a comparison measure, like a value from a previous period. If your analysis requires, you could also include measures or thresholds that define qualitative bands such as poor, fair, or good. These can be static, set values, or they can be dynamic, reacting to your data. With your data prepared, the next step involves mapping this data into the various fields in the bullet chart visual. Set up your category. This is what each bullet refers to, such as product, employee, or any other relevant category. Then, you'll map your value or actual, followed by setting the target or benchmark goal. If your visual supports them, and you have the data available, set fields for bandings or ranges to better illustrate your data's context. Moving on to formatting and styling, this is where your bullet chart will take its final form. You have the option to adjust the colors of different elements like the bar, representing the actual value, the target marker, and the bands. Make sure your qualitative ranges, whether static or measure-based, are visually distinct. Power BI often allows you to toggle on or off additional functionalities like labels and tooltips, which can enhance user understanding. Some versions may even support orientation adjustments, allowing you to choose between horizontal and vertical layouts. Finally, to bring more sophistication to your bullet chart, consider adding interactivity. Use conditional formatting to highlight differences in performance relative to targets. Add fields to your tooltips to display critical metrics such as actuals, targets, and variances. By following these steps, you'll have a clean and insightful bullet chart ready to communicate essential insights in your Power BI dashboard.